Welcome back to our vocabulary series. Let's learn 10 more essential English words together. Ready? Here we go. First up, along. They walked along the beach, enjoying the sound of the waves. Next, already. I've already finished my homework, so now I can relax. Then we have also. She is a talented singer and also plays the guitar. Here's although. Although it was raining, they decided to go hiking anyway. Now, always. She always brings a book with her wherever she goes. What an amazing word. The view from the top of the mountain was absolutely amazing. Next, among. The teacher distributed the books among the students. And amount. You need to pay a small amount of money for the membership. Let's look at Amuse. The clown managed to amuse the children with his funny tricks. Finally, analysis. After a careful analysis of the data, the scientists found the solution. Great job. Keep practicing. Don't forget to subscribe for more vocabulary sets.